Hey, you, hey, check it out, man. You already know what I do. About to give me some money out here. I'm in South Bend, Indiana. Hey, man, been tearing that road up. Put in like 501 miles today. Yesterday I did 584. The day before that I did 297. So I've been grinding. I'm gonna try to get me a little workout in, man, before these trucks get to pulling in. Hopefully I can. And as you can see, it's snow on the ground. But hey, man, that ain't stopping me. And I'm gonna try to give me some pull-ups up under this Conestoga, man. I'm just trying to improvise. No excuses. One set in. Been sitting all day. Been up since 5:30 on that road. Started in Minnesota. First set felt good. Good money. Got my thermals on. Hey, I gotta make something happen. I wanted to do me a little in-cal workout. Go a little vitamin D, the little sun hit me a little bit. I gotta go and take advantage. Headed to Philly. Started in Minnesota. Well, I went from KC to Washington, Illinois, then to Minnesota. I got to Minnesota yesterday about 6:30. When it did me a load at the terminal, I was right back on the road at 5:30. Right back on the road, 5:30. I made it to South Bend, Indiana. Headed to Philly. I'm like, I think the GPS say like 9 hours from there. So I'm gonna try to knock at least 7 of that off tomorrow. Get somewhere, lay down, and wake up and knock out them other 2, man, and deliver that load. You feel me? By 9 a.m. but I've never been a Philly, man. Like one of my favorite rappers from there, Meek. You feel me? Of course, I fuck with Gilly and Wallow. Wallow got one of the most inspiring stories there is. People like that give me hope. You feel me? So I gotta keep pushing, man. Keep pushing, bro. That's all I know. Dumbbells alone. Shit, I'm basically hitting arms right there. Want it, I gotta go hard. People that think I don't want it. Woo! Let's go. 2 sets in. Hey, I'm forever motivated. Cause for some strange reason, there's people that think that I don't want it. That I don't got what it takes. To think that I just want something handed to me. Hey man, ain't nobody shake me and say, hey, get up, you gotta go to work today. You feel me? The bow tie and my alarm clock. You feel me? Like I said, I done did 500 plus miles today. That ain't easy. And did basically 600 yesterday. So that's 1,000 in 2 days. Probably 1,300 down there, 1,400 in 3 days. I ain't playing out here, bro. But hey, man, we all have our own unique journey stories. Hey, man, when I tell my story, if you don't like me, please don't follow me around, bro. I'm not complaining. This is my true, authentic story, bro. You hear me? I think somebody's gonna come block. Had the opportunity to go somewhere else. And of course, they're gonna come right here. got a couple sets in before that game. Let's see. But if not, I'm taking it to the end cab. Real talk. But another thing, man, it's kind of hard to find that motivation, bro, when it feel like you being looked over. People not taking you serious. Like, I ain't out here playing, bro. I'm putting in work, then putting in more work. But the only way, I just gotta keep showing up. I gotta keep showing y'all. I want this shit. I'm gonna get this shit, bro. Real talk. How bad you want it, my nigga? You willing to get out here in the cold? Fingertips froze? For them to still say you making excuses? How bad you want it? I can't afford to give up. I'm the cycle breaker. I'm the generational curse breaker. I can't afford to. Bedtime tap. Three sets in. Sir. I love this shit though, man. At this big age of my life, I feel like this kind of like my only gift. I don't know if speaking is that for me. It's like people don't receive what I be putting down. So I don't really know if that's my route. It's possible. I can say the most motivating shit ever. Motherfucker like, who the fuck Buddy think he is? That's the vibes I be getting. So I don't know, but I'ma still wake up and try to motivate others and be the voice that I wish I had. Cause we got people out here, they end up figuring it out before you. And now all of a sudden, they try to act like you're not spitting no game. You feel me? But yeah, somebody about to come knock me out of place, man. Hold on. No, not yet. He gonna go over. Oh man, they looking out for me. The workout guys looking out for the kid, man. But I know it's about to start filling up because it's getting dark. 5:27. But like I say, I'm gonna keep trying to inspire those who want to be inspired, because I know it's a huge world, and I'm just hoping to get my crowd, man, my people. You feel me? My motherfucking hands freezing out of this bitch. I know that I can do it. I just want to prove those who think that I'm looking for somebody to come on, we got you. I wouldn't be out here working, bro. I'm talented in enough areas. If I didn't give a fuck about myself, I could be on camera drilling shit out. You know what I'm saying? I could be doing shit of that nature. But I believe in me that I possess what it takes. Just like you, the person who got more than me, who watching me on a daily basis, critiquing everything, and you know I got it. I just gotta figure it out. I just gotta get a little bit more comfortable on that camera talking. But I done already shared the most embarrassing parts about me. When people say, oh, everything's my fault. I'm a man. Everything is always the man's fault. It's my fault. But I gotta change. I gotta fix this shit. Hey. I gotta break them down to 8. Shout out everybody that subscribed to the kid. Everybody that never said some positive shit to me, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm a real deal loner. Hey man, and shout out to the guy with the big old followings. They got all the money who go out their way to try to block brothers like me. You know who you are, sucker. But you can't duplicate this workout shit. You might be able to do the trucking shit and crush me. I don't care about the trucking shit. But this right here, where you actually gotta be the part, you can't see me, homie. So you better keep walking and acting as if you about to help shit. You hear me? You ain't about that life, because you wouldn't have that big old gut. You hear me? If you did all that time you did in the penitentiary, you would be in shape, because that'll be a part of who you are. But that ain't. And a lot of y'all just go out y'all way to try to stop other people. That ain't what I do, bruh. My whole life I've been an athletic sports type of guy, man. So it only just translated over into working out. And I'm sorry if I intimidate you, man, to the point to where you can't give me no credit for who it is I actually am. You know what I'm saying? That's cool too, man. I get it. I ain't mad at you. But you guys motivate me. I'm talking about keep me going, so please keep it up. Please keep making that bullshit ass content saying I'm this. I ain't never pussy. You wouldn't say that to my face. You hear me? I don't give a fuck how big you is, how many muscles you got. You wouldn't say it to my face. You had to put me on my back pockets. You hear me? But I ain't even about that, man. I'm gonna use that as fuel. That I'm doing something right, bro. That I'm being monitored and people that critical of me. You hear me? But where I come from, you don't make nothing if you ain't something. You hear me? I could be filling up that penitentiary right now, bro. I'm out here being a productive citizen. So when people say I don't want it, I get up every day and go to work. I want it. I ain't looking for no handouts. You hear me? Somebody gonna see the kid and know this dude here is serious. You hear me? I hit my fingers cold, but life cold, bruh. Real talk. I don't know who this for out there. You gotta want this shit more than these haters don't want you to have it. I have women targeting me too. You know who you is, bitch. Real talk. What you mad you can't get a nigga like me? Nigga like me intimidate you? I be intimidating bitches as well. Not women, bitches. Can't no woman say I done sent them a picture of my meat. I don't even communicate with no women. I'm not on Instagram, TikTok. I can't message none of y'all. You feel me? And vice versa. Get on these push-ups now, man. anytime I want to stop, all I think about is the people acting like I want some help. I'ma help myself. Like I've been doing since a kid. Hey, you better not motherfucking give up. There's some people praying and hoping. They don't want you to get where you know you going. You hear me? I thought it was just people from the past. No, man. There's all type of wicked devils in this world. With more than you. Watching you on a daily basis. Praying against you. I gotta want it. They think I don't fucking want it. Promise you, when I tell my little story, no, I'm not little, my big story, my story of overcoming, my story where I should be out my motherfucking mind, somewhere on crack cocaine, meth, something, you hear me? An alcoholic, some shit, and I just had some tequila, probably after 2 months, just had me a little sip, you feel me? But I ain't addicted to nothing, bro. Nothing but trying to better myself. Real talk. And I ain't figured it out yet. I don't know my purpose. So if you see me jumping all around, one day I'm motivation speaking, one day I'm exercising, but this is what I'm passionate about. I do have my personal training certificate that I invested my money in past. Sometimes you're just in the wrong areas. I'm at the gym. It's motherfuckers running the gym that ain't in shape. I'm coming through intimidating every motherfucker, man. Dang. So I'm praying God drop a bag out that sky for me. You feel me? So I don't have to deal with no humans, man. And I understand most people not a threat. You feel me? Most people ain't chosen. So you wouldn't understand where I'm coming from. It's gonna look like I'm making excuses. You feel me? Like I told y'all, I haven't added to no recidivism rate. I got out in 2012, bruh. You feel me? Went to the joint for popping a motherfucker. You hear me? When I could have threw my whole life away over a hating ass nigga, man. Hating ass niggas everywhere, though. In the joint, these niggas everywhere, bruh. So you can never escape it. It's all with you and how you operate. These niggas content creators. These niggas got money. These niggas got the bag. These niggas everywhere. You feel me? Any guy that's different from me, I do not hate them. I only hate people that they can't show empathy for others and act like they perfect. I do not like you motherfuckers like y'all don't like me. And I salute you for figuring it out. I am no hater. I'm gonna figure that shit out, my nigga. I promise you that. Or I'm gonna pop my motherfucking top and get that shit over with. Real shit. Hater nigga think, man, I ain't about that shit. Like, I don't want this shit. Nigga, I want that shit, nigga. Been wanting that shit come from that small ass town. I always thought big. You feel me? And I escaped my little town to a bigger city. Real talk. And I can survive anywhere because I'm not in no hoods. I'm not on no goofball shit. I don't go to clubs. I don't do none of that type of shit, bro. And I'm not knocking the motherfucker that do, but I don't do that type of shit. So therefore, I done cut out 70% of bullshit. I'm not on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I can care less about attention, bro. I just simply want to get my tribe, encourage those who want to be encouraged, and be recognized for the good shit that I do. No tapping, sir. This nigga right now got more time on his hands to exercise, to be in better shape, and he ain't taking advantage of it. But yet, a frown at me for going and putting in my work. Human nature, bro. How bad you want this shit? People looking at me like I'm crazy walking by. It's gonna pay off. Shit gonna pay off one motherfucking day. Somebody finna knock me out now. But hey, man, you already know what I say. Good workout, good motivation. Hold on. Nah, he going over. I got enough for another set. The workout guys, they looking out for me. Hell yeah. Hands cold than a motherfucker. Workout guys, they know I needed this good stress reliever. Sitting in that truck going crazy, sitting in that cell on wheels. But I'm proud of myself, man, conquering this OTR shit like this. Like I say, I'm getting to see places I've never seen. Get to go to Philly. I always wanted to go to Philadelphia. I used to rap a little bit. I always wanted to, meet my nigga Meek. Like I say, of course I watch $1 Million Worth of Game. They doing their thing. But definitely a big fan of Wallow. I fuck with Gilly too. But a big fan of Wallow. Very inspirational story, did all that time and came out here and made it happen. That type of shit motivate me. I know we don't have to be perfect people, man. We just gotta figure out our purpose, man. And figure that shit out some way, somehow. But just stay the course. People thought he was crazy, yelling in front of that camera. That nigga figured it out. Like I say, man, I got people, man, depending on me, man. Real talk, bro. I can't give up, bro. And it be days I be wanting to say, man, fuck this working out shit. Fuck this bullshit ass YouTube shit. Ain't no motherfucker trying to hear my story. And everybody who do hear it think I'm looking for sympathy. Man, this my real story, bro. This my real story, my nigga. Real talk, bro. But don't nobody care about your story until you make it. So therefore, I'm gonna shut my motherfucking mouth, put my head down, and keep working, bro. Real talk. Keep working, man. But please do not misinterpret. I ain't gonna even say please, because there's people gonna misinterpret my energy, who I am. They gonna receive it in whatever way or whatever they going through. So it ain't nothing I can do about that, man. I know I'm a genuine, rare soul out here, man. Just trying to encourage others, man. I really did all that bullshit, man. Survived that shit, bro. Changed my motherfucking life, man. A success story. Of course, I ain't rich and famous, but I'm still successful in my own right. I ain't sitting in a cell telling you not to do this. I'm free telling you not to do this. I'm free telling you how difficult it is to get your life back together. You hear me? After fucking it up, after committing a violent crime, I'm telling you, you're not finna be able to get an apartment in your name. After beefing with your own kind and doing something violent to them. You hear me? And this shit is happening every day, bro. So that's why when people go out, they wait to antagonize and talk crazy. My lower self come out like, who this pussy ass motherfucker think he is, man? You's a bitch ass motherfucker. Good talking ass nigga. But that ain't gonna get me nowhere. You feel me? But I just feel like people who've actually done the part, man, I ain't successful from no social media, and I'm not knocking that. I'm saying I really did the work. I really suffered. You feel me? Nigga, I ain't go to jail for fucking with nobody, trying to rob no motherfucker. Motherfucker fucking with me, it should be a law for niggas out here fucking with other niggas, man. Real talk. You antagonizing that man. You fucking with him. You asked for that. But of course it ain't, man. And of course, you can't be too emotional, youngin'. You feel me? Or you gonna lose. It's a lot, man. I wonder how many niggas is sitting in that cell right now because some other person was fucking with them, man. You hear me? And God spared me. So that's why I'm always telling my story, bro. My truth. Motherfucker be having so much hurt, pain, rage inside of them. Bro, I don't know who I'm fucking with. That man I don't know what the next man going through. I fuck with a nigga for no reason. He got the right to blow my brains out. to delete me off this earth. That's how I feel. So I don't fuck with other people. I don't critique other people. I can care less because we all got our own shit, man. And that's why it bothers me when people do that shit to me. Why are you so critical of me, nigga? Bitch, why are you so critical of me? What should I do to your motherfucking ass? Goddamn thing. That's good money. Give me one more set. Hey man, this workout shit saved my life, bro. If it wasn't for this way of releasing, I know I'd have been and caught some bodies. Real talk. But on my toughest days, on my roughest days, bro, this shit saved me. Right at 45 minutes. Catch me a shower, give me something to eat, lay down. But hey man, I just want to give a shout out to all my go-getters, all my people who are human beings, who go through shit just like me. I feel your pain, bruh. I feel your pain, sis. I ain't never better than the next person because I figured something out that they haven't. You feel me? I'm always giving game, bro. Your license good, go get your CDL, my nigga. Real talk. Like I say, I'm headed to Philly. I've never been to Philly. I'm from Illinois, bro. You hear me? Small town. A lot of places I haven't been. It's not a vacation, but it's a way out that hellhole, my nigga. It's a way to get a couple dollars. You feel me? I ain't gotta ask a motherfucker for nothing. And I ain't broke, you hear me? Anything within reason I can have. Some Gucci, some Louis. If I wanna go spend some money on that goofball shit, I could, you hear me? So it's no reason to be jealous of nobody else. I just simply want my just due for showing up, being the part. You hear me? Like I say, it's people saying the same shit that I'm saying on a daily basis, bro. They like, and it started to discourage you, but I know my tribe out there, the universe sending them to me, I'm attracting them. The more that I be my true, authentic self. You feel me? But to all my underachievers, my underdogs, the people that they don't think to win, I'm in the boat with you. They don't think gonna win. I'm in the boat with you, my nigga. They don't think I'm gonna pull it off. But they know I'm chosen. You hear me? You know it. Any motherfucker who watching me, monitor me, you know I'm chosen, bruh. You know it, bruh. Any day now. Any day now. And I ain't sitting around waiting on no motherfucker to come get me shit. I just drove this motherfucker 500 some miles today. So therefore, I'm an able-bodied go-getting man. You hear me? So don't be motherfucking saying I'm waiting on shit. No handouts. Not waiting on none of that shit. No motherfucker to come save me, man. Most High got me like he've always had me. If I'm getting up able to work, I'm blessed. I'm not nowhere walking a child, working in no fucking prison. I'm blessed. You hear me? Real talk. And if I never make it on this social media bullshit, you hear me? I'm still blessed. I still overcame. I didn't keep that same cycle going. I broke that motherfucker. You hear me? Real talk. My daddy ain't never worked no job. He spent his whole existence in a penitentiary. Fuck you mean, nigga? Niggas and bitches so critical of me. What the fuck do you mean? You hear me? My mama died at 27 years old. You hear me? Left 3 kids on this motherfucking earth. And I'm still out in this bitch thriving. I ain't out in this bitch fucking with nobody. I ain't out here being malicious towards no other human being. I simply get up and do me, man. Real talk. And there's some motherfucker always got something to say about little old me. Real talk. I bet you don't want to trade places, nigga, and see what you can do in these size 12s. I bet you don't want to do that. And I'm not making it seem like what you overcame was easy to do. Bruh, I salute you, my nigga, but let me go my course. Let me figure my shit out. You hear me? I made it this far without your motherfucking ass, didn't I? Exactly. I know I be going off though. But hey man, that type of shit fuels me, man, that a motherfucker think that I'm looking for any type of assistance. You see the sky up there? You see that sky? You see over there my mama, my daddy, my grandma, my uncle. You feel me, man? I got people watching over me and my ancestors. I'm good, bro. I'm gonna figure this shit out. Hands freezing though, man. But that's today's session, man. Whoever out there lazy, get out there, get you some money, walk, start eating right. Hey, man, you only get one body. You only get one of them, man. And you already know what I say. Just be you.